Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make your very own orange oil. This orange oil is super great for hair growth. It softens the hair and make our hair strand stronger, and it improves our hair growth. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I'll be using the orange peel. Orange peel is packed with vitamin C. It effectively treats dry scalp and dandruff. It also moisturizes the hair follicles and make them thick and stronger. Your first time of coming across my video, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and please do me well by subscribing. Subscription is free. Join this growing channel. Let's take this channel to the next level. And to my OGs, I am super grateful for always coming back to support me. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all. I'll be adding fenugreek seed to it. Fenugreek seed helps in fighting hair loss, dandruff, and scalp infection, and it also repairs damaged hair. Once I'm done blending the fenugreek seed, I will pour in my oil. I am using almond oil and castor oil for this. I love using almond oil on my hair. For me, almond oil is the best oil for any living product because it softens the hair and also makes it stronger. Using a double boiler method to infuse the oil. I always come around to give it a stir so that the whole ingredient will properly infuse into this oil. Once the oil is cool, I will use my cheesecloth to separate the residues from the oil, after which I will apply some on my hair and massage my hair, then twist it back as well. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and also do not forget to turn on your post notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.